All right, everybody, 5:15 on a Wednesday morning, and hoping Miggy gets his game back at the plate. Seems like he's lost it the last couple of years, but I guess we'll see what happens if we actually do have a season this summer. Nonetheless, summertime does kick in. Astronomical summer, that is, folks, on Saturday afternoon at 5:44. And it's going to be feeling like summer. Already did a bit yesterday. I'm sure you felt that. So when you got light winds and temperatures in the lower 80s, it feels even a little bit warmer. That's what we had on Tuesday. And we're going to tack on a few more degrees for this afternoon. Grand Rapids on the tower cam right now. We're starting to pick up on a little bit of light out there on the eastern horizon now. Not a whole lot, but just a touch. And sunrise checking in right about 6 o'clock here to start this day. Now, we've got a warm air mass overhead, but the warmest of the air is actually just out to the west, and that's where the winds are a little bit stronger, keeping the atmosphere mixed. Locally, though, the winds are light, so we're getting more radiational cooling. And with a dry atmosphere, you can see temperatures dip down a little bit more so. If we were more humid, we would probably be right about 70 degrees to start the day. But not much humidity have we felt, despite the fact that we have been warming a bit the last couple of afternoons. We'll continue to do so today. 58 in Grand Rapids, more like 60 to the lower 60s along the lakeshore. These are the dew points, though. Again, when you're in the mid-50s, you're not feeling much in the way of stickiness, and we won't for today. Winds are quite light, folks. They were yesterday. They will be today. For the most part, tomorrow we'll start to pick up a few more breezes Friday and into Saturday. Here's that day planner. Yesterday got to 83, looking for 85 today. The sunshine continues for a few more afternoons, so there's no threat of any rainfall, I don't think, until at some point Saturday, perhaps as early as Saturday afternoon, but more likely later at night and into the first half of Sunday. And even when that comes about, that rain prospect, it won't be anything real significant. I mean, we're not talking about flooding rains. It'll just be kind of a hit and miss, the thunder shower pattern along an approaching cold front. But before that cold front does come through, we will be in the upper 80s to around 90 degrees for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Here's the latest check of the temperature trend forecast. You'll notice that it does go a little bit cooler here Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday as we do drop back closer to 80 degrees at that time. But there are no major drop downs, it doesn't look like, with the temperatures right on through the next couple of weeks. It remains to be seen just how warm we can get in week 2 and week 3. There have been some signs of some troughiness trying to work on into the Great Lakes from Canada. But again, no major cool shot, so more just relegated towards that 80-degree marker, I think, even when we do cool down. Now, I was talking about some winds more so out to the west, and that is represented by those white lines. Those are isobars. When they're closer together, that means that the pressure gradient is stronger and the wind's a little bit stronger as well. We do not have that overhead, though, as this system along the mid-Atlantic seaboard is just stalled out in place. So keeping what you have overhead, what you're going to continue to have, it looks like, for the next 24 to 48 hours. Eventually that system will scoot out of here, and the breezier conditions and a cold front will collapse on the region. But Nicole and Mike, not until it doesn't look like late Saturday and into Sunday. So until then, we'll just continue to slowly warm up. How about 85 today, near 90 Thursday, Friday, Saturday?
That's lovely.
Yeah, not a bad week.
All right, bringing up the